In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Calendly link directly into your WordPress.com website. This is a fantastic way to streamline the booking process for your visitors, allowing them to easily schedule appointments with you without ever leaving your web page. Let's start by opening up Calendly. Once you're in, you'll want to choose the specific event type that you plan to embed. It's important to select the right event type to ensure that your visitors are booking appointments in the correct slot. When you have your event type ready, look for the Share button. Clicking Share will give you various options to integrate your event into different platforms. After clicking Share, you need to select Add to Website. This option allows you to embed the calendar directly onto your page. Now, among the choices available, you'll want to pick Inline Embed. This particular option will seamlessly integrate your calendar into the web page, making it appear as a natural part of your site. Next, scroll down a bit and you'll see the Continue button. Give that a click. Calendly will now generate a code specifically for your event. This is the magic that will make your calendar appear on your WordPress site. So go ahead and copy that code. Keep it handy as we'll need it in just a moment. Next, let's shift over to WordPress.com. If you don't have an account yet, now is the time to create one. It's straightforward and WordPress will guide you through the process. Once you're logged in and on your home page, navigate to the upper left side of the screen. You'll see a button that says New. This is where you can start adding a new page or post. Click on New, then select Add. A search bar will appear and you'll want to type Calendly into it. This helps find the exact widget you need without having to sift through numerous other options. Once it pops up, click on it to activate the Calendly block within your editor. Now with our Calendly block in place, it's time to paste the embed code you copied earlier from Calendly. Simply paste it into the block and it will automatically link to your chosen event type. Just like that, your calendar is live on your web page. With this setup, your visitors can view availability and book appointments directly on your site. It creates a seamless experience and likely boosts your engagement as clients can swiftly schedule meetings with you without any hassle. This is a nifty integration that combines the power of Calendly with the accessibility of WordPress to optimize your client interactions. That's all there is to it. With this integration complete, you're ready to welcome more appointments and provide exceptional service through your website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.